Wanna know how to book a hotel in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Agoda website. So just simply open up your web browser and type in agoda.com. So once you have opened up Agoda, here you can just simply sort of for hotels and homes according to your city. Now, once you have found your hotel, just simply select it, which should direct you to your other window that should look something like this. So right here you should be seeing book now, which is the lowest price available for now. So just simply select book now right here, and you can also see our last available rooms in it. So once you have done it here, you should be seeing your payment option where you can just simply pay on the given date right here, or you can just pay now as well using various options. So you can also see who is the lead guest right here, and you can also see special requests and what's more. So once that is done, you can just simply select next final step right here, and this will direct you to the other window. So right here, just simply add your card number, which is Visa, MasterCard and much more, and then just simply select book now and pay later as well if you want to. And once all of it is done, your booking should be secure, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.